Yes, ma'am.
All right. So now let's start reading from the next. We were talking about water pollution. So you get to see that how water is polluted from industries, factories, from our own houses, and different other things. Sometimes directly and sometimes indirectly. Okay. Now coming on to the effects of water pollution. Who did not get the turn to read? Anshuman. Anshuman,
Yes, ma'am.
open your camera and read out the effects of water pollution.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, please wait 1 minute. Ma'am, I have to read.
Effects of water pollution.
Okay, ma'am. Effects of water pollution. Water is a precious resource without which life on the earth cannot exist. Water pollution harms all living things. Birds such as seagulls and other aquatic animals die because of water pollution. When humans consume fish and other seafood for a contaminated water body, it leads to illness and diseases. Drinking water that is polluted causes waterborne uh, diseases such as
Waterborne diseases.
waterborne diseases such as dysentery, jaundice, and
Diarrhea.
diarrhea. Diarrhea.
Okay, so when the water gets polluted, so what happens? It does not only harm human beings, but it also harms the creatures living in the water, the creatures who do not live in water, who live in air, but just consume the water from such water bodies, such as birds and all. Okay, they only drink this water. The fish and the aquatic life gets affected because of the polluted water, and also the human beings. We human beings eat the food of these water bodies like fish and all. If we consume this kind of a food which is already living in a contaminated environment, so what happens? It gives diseases to us. And those people who do not consume this seafood but only drink this kind of a water, so they have diseases like what diseases? What illnesses?
Diarrhea.
Yes, diarrhea and
Jaundice.
jaundice and
Then
dysentery, diarrhea, and jaundice. So these are different things. The whole through this water, the whole life, this thing, all the creatures living, whether living in water, whether in the air or on land, all get affected. Only if the water is polluted, because we all of us consume water. What is the first line? Water is a precious resource without which life on earth cannot exist. So the survival is just not possible if there was no water. Then, how can we prevent or control water pollution? Read out. Who is going to read out? Iram, Lakshita, Jayesh, Dev.
Ma'am,
You,
can I? Ma'am, I have not read. Ma'am, can I? I have also
I
not
know.
read.
That is why I'm calling out your names. Okay, Dev, you read.
Fermentation and control of water pollution. To prevent water pollution, the first and rule is do not throw garbage into water bodies. The government should make laws and industries should treat the waste before releasing it into water bodies. Sewage must be treated before it is released into water bodies. We must use environment friendly cleaning liquid fertilizer and pesticides used in agriculture or gardening often leach through the soil into the groundwater polluting it. Therefore, we should not use too much pesticides and chemicals. Bathing or washing clothes also pollutes water bodies. We must not pollute clean water bodies by bathing or washing our clothes in them. We should create awareness about keeping our water bodies clean. I'm done.
So there are so many points to prevent or control water pollution. There are at least 5 points given here how water pollution can be controlled or prevented. So let's just revise them. What are those points? Utsav, you
Ma'am,
will
we
tell
must.
the first point. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we must not pollute clean water bodies by bathing or washing our clothes.
Yes, we should not bathe or we should not wash our clothes because it pollutes that water. Varun, second point by you.
So, sewage must be treated before it is released into water bodies.
Yes, the sewage must not be directly released into these water bodies. First, it must be treated. Then, third point, Prasun Gangwar. Children, please open your cameras. Prasun Gangwar, what
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
third point?
We should create awareness about keeping. Sorry, ma'am. We should not use too much pedicures and chemicals.
Okay, we should not use too much pesticides and chemicals.
Chemicals.
What are pesticides and chemicals used on? They are used on crops.
Factories.
No,
Yes,
beta.
ma'am. Pesticides means a chemical used for killing harmful insects.
Yes, it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
used in agriculture and gardening. Why do we use pesticide? We use pesticide to control the pests. Pests is what? The small kida kind of a thing that attacks the crops in fields and all. So what do we use? We spray or sprinkle different kinds of pesticides so that these pests do not harm the crops. So what happens from the soil? They seep through and go in the water bodies. So the use of chemicals, the use of these pesticides should be controlled. And what one other point? A direct point. What is Iram? Can you tell one more very easy point?
Ma'am, we must use environment-friendly cleaning liquids.
Okay.
Fertilizers use environment.
Yes.
Fertilizers and pesticides used in culture or gardening often seep
Done,
through
beta,
the
done,
soil.
done. We
Okay.
must use environment friendly cleaning liquids. These cleaning liquids, the environment friendly cleaning liquids should also be used to clean these water bodies. And the first and the foremost point that you have not read is we should not throw garbage into water bodies. So if we look after, if we take care of all these points, we can prevent water pollution or we can control water pollution. Then after studying air pollution and water pollution, we come to soil pollution.
Sorry, police.
Let's read how soil gets contaminated. Okay, who has not got the turn to read? Iram.
Ma'am,
Yes.
okay, ma'am. Soil pollution. Soil or land pollution occurs when we do not dispose of waste properly or throw a lot of chemicals in the form of pesticides and fertilizers into the soil. It leads to the degradation of the earth's surface. Plastic containers, plastic bags, bottles, cans, and glass do not decay and mix with the soil. They pile up in the landfills where they are usually dumped.
Okay. So when does soil pollution occur? It occurs when the waste is not properly disposed. When is land pollution or soil pollution occurred, beta? Tell me. When we do not throw or when we do not dispose of the waste properly. What is the second
Yes,
point?
ma'am.
Tell me, what is the second point? Firstly, when the garbage is not disposed properly, we have land pollution. Second, when do we have soil pollution? We just read in the paragraph above. Due to pesticides and chemicals. Due to the spray of pesticides and chemicals, we have what? A lot of soil pollution.
Soil
And
pollution.
degradation.
Yes. Then plastic containers. Sometimes we throw things like that do not decay or do not get mixed with the soil. That also causes soil pollution. Such as, what are those things?
Ma'am,
Mute
like
yourself.
plastic bags.
Yes.
Ma'am, like
Ma'am,
plastic bags, bottles, cans,
its
and glass.
cans and glass do not decay and mix with the soil.
Yes. So they pile up in landfills where they are usually dumped. So this one person will dispose the garbage, the other one will also come and dispose. Then the third one, fourth one. And by seeing that whole garbage lot, people think that it is a dumping point. So this way we create or we increase soil or land pollution. We are the only cause sometimes. Then, what is the next one? Effects of soil pollution. Now, what are the effects? How does soil pollution affect us? Let's read that. Yes, Jayesh, read. But bit loudly.
Okay. If the soil gets polluted, it affects all living things. Creatures living in it, crops and plants will not be able to survive. Polluted soil can cause respiratory diseases by people and animals who breathe in the dust. Fruit and vegetables grown on polluted soil causes illnesses. Landfills are garbages dumped, breed rats and insects that spread diseases. The air around landfills also had
Okay. So, this soil pollution affects all living things. Now, creatures living in it and crops and plants will not be able to survive. See, children, if the soil is contaminated, the soil is polluted, so the creatures living directly on that soil and the creatures living, the crops and plants that are grown on that soil will not be able to survive. Suppose on a contaminated, polluted soil, we have crops, fruits, and vegetables growing, and we eat those crops, fruits, and vegetables. What will happen? We will fall sick. Like how I told you in water pollution, if we consume the animals of that water body, which is polluted, what will we have? We will have different kinds of illnesses. Similarly, if the soil is polluted and we consume the things growing on that soil, so again, human beings are going to suffer. Even the insects are going to suffer which live on that plant. The creatures, all the creatures that live on that thing will suffer. Then, landfills and garbage dumps. What happens in the landfills and garbage dumps where you have a lot of garbage? Rats breed, rats take birth. Okay, so what happens? We have these rats and insects, they spread different kinds of diseases, which ultimately also contaminates the air around us. So the soil pollution
Ma'am,
has
bad.
got, yes,
Ma'am, bats make many diseases.
better not bats, these are rats.
Yes, ma'am.
These rats and insects definitely spread so many diseases. Now we have rats in those landfills. Haven't you seen the rats wherever you have dirt? We see rats over there. We see in the railway
Yes, ma'am.
station on the tracks are so
Ma'am,
dirty.
I see many rats in my village.
Yes. So wherever we have dirt, we see rats over there. Wherever we have dirt, we see different insects. Don't we see flies all over around the dump, the garbage and all? So we have so many
Yes, ma'am.
diseases being spread through these rats and insects. Then the air around the landfill also has bad odor. What is bad odor? What is odor, beta? Anybody can tell? Odor is smell. What is odor? Odor is bad smell. So the air around these landfills. Have you ever crossed any area which has a lot of garbage?
Yes,
So
ma'am. Yes,
doesn't
ma'am.
that area smell so bad? It has a
Yes, ma'am.
particular kind of odor. So that odor is so bad that why is that bad? Because we keep piling up the garbage over there. The air also has a bad odor around these landfills. Then, how can this soil pollution be prevented? Let's study. Abhimanyu, read out.
What?
Read out the prevention of soil pollution. Page number 129.
Prevention of soil pollution. One way to prevent soil pollution is to start throwing waste properly. We should also reduce the use of products made up of plastic and synthetic materials. We should try to up of plastic, reduce the amount of waste produced by reusing old things. Planting trees is another way to conserve the soil. Root of grass, small plants, and trees hold the soil firmly, stopping it from being washed away by rain or wind, thus preventing soil erosion. We should try to spread awareness about the harmful effects of soil pollution.
Okay. So, what are the ways? How can we prevent soil pollution?
And by planting trees.
Yes, by planting trees is one way to conserve the soil. Then we should not use plastic ware. We should try not to use these plastic items, because what happens? We ultimately throw this plastic into the soil. We dump it and it does not get mixed with the soil. Ultimately, it contaminates the soil. Then roots of grass, plants and trees hold the soil firmly, stopping it from being washed away by rain or wind, thus preventing soil erosion. We should try to spread awareness about the harmful effects of soil pollution. So when the roots of the grass and small plants and trees that hold the soil firmly, where are the roots of these plants? They are in the soil. What do? They hold the soil firmly, and thus the soil is what happens to the soil? It is firmly attached to the roots. It does not get eroded. That prevents soil erosion. So we should plant more and more trees to avoid the soil erosion. These are the few ways by which soil pollution can be prevented. Then, coming on to the next part, noise pollution. Now, what is noise pollution? Without reading, can anybody tell me what is noise pollution?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, making
ma'am,
them
the sound of the vehicles and cars.
Yes, when?
Ma'am, the sound of vehicles.
Ma'am,
Okay, the sound of vehicles. Okay, Varun.
ma'am, noise pollution is caused by the sound of vehicles.
And what else?
Ma'am, ma'am, machines,
Fan horse.
barking
Okay.
dogs.
So, children, now,
Horns.
Ma'am,
any sound. Okay, listen to me. Right now, we people are talking to each other. Okay, is this noise pollution?
no, ma'am.
No, not at all. Why? Because we can comfortably listen to each other. Our voice is not being or is not giving any discomfort to each other's ears. So, any sound that gives discomfort to your ears, that is called noise pollution. Sometimes the noise from vehicles is not very loud. That is not noise pollution. But at various times, the noise or the sounds of these vehicles is too much. Like for example, the siren of a train. What happens? It suddenly, if we hear the siren, what happens? We feel that discomfort. Oh God, what has happened? And we suddenly close our ears. So any
Ma'am, when
sound.
the train stops, ma'am, it makes ma'am sound.
Yes. So any sound that gives discomfort to your ears is called noise pollution. Okay, we should know the difference between noise pollution and various sounds. Sometimes teachers and some students also feel that noise pollution in classes. Doesn't it happen that you people are so loud in the classes that it also gives discomfort? Yes,
Yes,
Ashvik,
ma'am.
you were saying something, Ashvik?
Sorry for late. Ma'am, I was saying good morning. Sorry for late.
Okay, so late, right? And you were not there in the morning class also, right?
Yes,
Hmm.
ma'am.
So, beta, we are at the end of chapter number 19. Okay. Now, who is going to read noise pollution? Krishna,
Can I
Agrim.
read?
Yes, Lakshita, read it out.
Noise pollution. Noise pollution is caused when the sound produced cause discomfort to our ears. Car, horns, traffic, aeroplanes, speakers, household gadgets, and machines are some of the things that cause noise pollution. Ma'am?
Yes. Yes. So there are various sources of noise. What are those sources of noise? Let's just read them out. Ashvik, read out these sources of noise.
Sources of noise: shouting, machines, traffic, car horns, aeroplanes, loud music, household gadgets, loudspeaker, barking dogs.
Yes. Sometimes in our own houses, what do? Sometimes we grind, like your mothers in the kitchen when they work. So they use mixer grinders. So it is so loud that it actually irritates, isn't it? That can be yes, that can be counted under this thing. What do you say?
Noise pollution.
Household gadgets.
Sources of
Noise
noise.
pollution caused by household gadgets. Then, when an aeroplane takes off or lands, what happens? It gives a shrieking sound. So, that is another form of noise pollution. The car horns sometimes are so loud. And especially, children, have you noticed at the time of Holi, what do these young boys do? They take out the silencer of their bikes. Have you noticed this thing? They take out the silencer of their bikes and their bikes give out a very loud sound. So that is,
ma'am.
yes, only Ashvik has noticed this thing. Okay, now coming Holi. Again, you people please give a try to notice this thing, that how young bikers ride their bikes by taking a, there is a thing called silencer in every vehicle. So what they do, they specially take out the silencer for 2 days, and they
Why? And why they take out?
just in order to create noise pollution for their own fun. These young bikers do this kind of a thing everywhere around. I have seen so much in Bareilly, and especially at the time of Holi. So that gives a very, very loud sound, and it discomforts the ears a lot. So that is again a this thing example of noise pollution. Sometimes the barking of dogs on the roads is so loud that you get irritated. Loud
Yes,
speak.
ma'am. There is a dog, ma'am. He always, ma'am. How do?
So these are different examples of things that spread noise pollution. Now, coming on to the effects. Now, what are the effects of noise pollution? Yes, neither Utsav is muted nor Iram is, and something is going on. Okay. Now, what are the effects of noise pollution? Who is going to read? Agrim Verma is left to read. Agrim Verma and Krishna Jaiswal both are left. Are they present in the class, or only their names are present in the class? Yes, only their names. Okay, so Varin, effects of noise pollution.
Effects of noise pollution.
Who is
Unwanted
talking?
unwanted noise causes irritation, sleep disturbance, and a loss of hearing. It also disrupts our daily lives by spoiling the quality of our environment. Loud noise such as bursting crackers scare scares animals and birds. Too much noise may lead to streets and
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 anxiety.
six and anxiety,
Anxiety.
headache,
Yes.
and high blood pressure.
So there are so many things that are caused by this unwanted noise or loud sound. What are they? They are irritation, then sleep disturbance and loss of hearing. What is loss of hearing, children?
And we can't hear.
Yes, the ability to hear loses. That is called loss of hearing. So these are different things that take place because of noise pollution. It disturbs our daily lives. What is the meaning of disrupts? Disrupts is disturbs. Disturbs our daily life by spoiling the quality of our environment. Then, loud noise such as bursting crackers also scares animals around. Who is most scared during the time of Diwali? These animals, the street dogs, they are very scared of loud sounds. So,
Ma'am, I have a dog at house. Ma'am, where I am staying now. Ma'am, when we burst crackers, ma'am, ma'am, कांपने लग जाता है.
yes, because animals do not like loud sound, they do not like bursting of crackers. For our enjoyment, we give discomfort to other beings. Yes? Okay. And it also causes headache, anxiety, leads to stress and high blood pressure. These are different things caused by noise pollution. Now, how can we prevent or control noise pollution? Let's read out. Krishna Jaiswal will read the last paragraph.
Okay, ma'am. Burning horns and uncomfortable
Beta, please
is
read a little loudly. We can't hear you.
one of the most common causes of noise pollution. It is this should be regular by government
Papa.
This should
causes
be regulated by government.
okay ma'am. Uh, the use of loudspeakers and loud music should be controlled. Do not put on loud music to disturb the neighborhoods. School, college, and hospitals should be silent noise. Planting trees and in ma'am, what
Industrial.
is industrial areas and a sort of the noise, the loud noise.
Yes. Now, what is the first cause of this noise pollution? Sometimes it is so common, the blowing of horns. So, if the blowing of horns is controlled, we can control a lot of noise pollution. Then, the use of loudspeakers and loud music should also be controlled. And planting trees in industrial areas. The industrial areas are generally the isolated areas. So what can be done? The sounds that is sorry, the sound that comes from various machines and all, it is too loud. So that sound, that noise can be made to absorb by trees around. So we should plant more and more trees around this industrial area so that these trees can absorb the noise that comes out of the industries. Now, in a nutshell, pollution is anything that makes the environment, what does it make?
Dirty.
Dirty.
Yes. There are four kinds of pollutions. What are they?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
air,
noise
water, soil,
pollution,
and
Water,
noise.
Air, water,
water
soil,
pollution
and
and soil.
and noise pollution.
Okay, air and water pollution causes diseases and loss of aquatic lives. That's true. Air pollution also and water pollution also. It causes so many diseases. Then soil pollution occurs when we do not dispose the waste properly. If we start disposing the waste properly, there we can reduce soil pollution. Noise pollution is caused when the sound produced is not comfortable to the ears. Any sound that gives discomfort to our ears is called noise pollution. We should prevent pollution of the earth. Now there are so many ways that we have studied how to prevent various kinds of pollutions. So, if we take a little care about our environment, we can do a lot to preserve and save the environment around us. Yes. Now, children, what would you like to do? Would you like to give a little time to dictation, or we must do these exercises?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
exercises.
exercises.
Ma'am, exercises.
All right, I'm giving you 2 minutes. Just try to do these fill in the blanks and these things on your own. And then we are going to discuss. You have 3 minutes with you.
अरे यार ये कुछ नहीं रुक पाता कहाँ रुका हुआ है बार बार गिर जा रहा है ये
Ma'am, I have done.
You have done all.
Ma'am,
Varun?
I have also done.
Ma'am, I have done already. Ma'am, I have done already.
Okay, if you've done it already, then why didn't you tell for dictation? Why did you choose this work that you have already done?
Ma'am, I have not
We have
done
done this
already.
chapter. Yes. Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have
already
not done
one
already.
exercise has been done.
Ma'am, I have not done already.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, I
Anshuman, do it
also.
better, do it. Then let's wait for Anshuman now. He's the only one who is doing it now for the first time.
Ma'am, I am also.
I am also doing.
Today is so much cold.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done. Ma'am, I have done. No.
Have you done Anshuman?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Iram, what about you?
Ma'am, no.
Okay. Anybody else who is still doing? Only Iram is doing, rest everyone has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I not know the fifth answer.
The first answer. Smoke
Ma'am,
causes dash.
ma'am, air pollution.
Yes. First answer, which answer are you talking about?
Ma'am, A
Question
fill in the
answers.
blanks fifth. No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
there is only one, 1 minute left.
Ma'am, A fill in the blanks fifth.
A fill in the
That
blank.
one only.
Fifth. Okay, no, Varun, try to find it
Ma'am,
out,
the
beta. It is
fifth is-
clearly given. The answer.
Ma'am, can I tell the fifth?
No, don't tell. Okay. First one. Smoke causes dash. What does smoke cause?
Ma'am, air pollution. Air
pollution.
pollution.
Air pollution. Smoke causes air pollution. Then, petroleum is a dash.
Fossil fuel.
Ma'am, fossil fuel.
Very nice. Petroleum is a fossil fuel. Fossil. Fossil fuel. What is the spelling of fuel?
FULL.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of fossil fuels?
FOSSIL. Fossil. And fuel is FUEL.
Fossil fuel.
FUEL.